Hello everyone, welcome to my newest micro course, the Mega Open House. If you like it, don't forget to join our community. Today we're diving into how to transform your regular open houses into mega open houses, major sales events that get results. This isn't just about opening a door, it's about creating an experience that attracts serious buyers and generates multiple offers and leads. Let's get started and learn the proven system used by top producing agents. There are 3 key reasons why mega open houses are a game changer. First, they attract higher attendance. We're talking 3 to 5 times more qualified buyers. Second, they lead to faster sales, typically selling properties 30% faster. And third, the competitive atmosphere often generates premium offers, potentially pushing the final sale price 5 to 10% above asking price. Timing is everything when it comes to a successful mega open house. 3 weeks before the open house, lock in the perfect day and time. Check the calendar to avoid any holidays or local events to ensure maximum turnout. Aim for a Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Those are prime time slots. Then 2 weeks before, it's time to make the home shine. Schedule professional photography and videography to capture stunning visuals that will grab buyers' attention. Hot tip: visuals grab over 77% of the attention of home buyers. Remember, in today's fast-paced world, very few people read descriptions. Capture people with images and videos, and they will come. Lastly, 1 week before, it is go time. Start to launch your marketing campaign across all channels: social media, email blasts, direct mail, and local ads. We will cover those next. Make sure your team is fully prepped and ready to execute. Stick to this timeline, and your mega open house will be a game changer. Start with a deep clean. Hire professionals if needed, focusing on the front of the house, primary bedroom, kitchen, and bathrooms. If possible, invest in professional staging to highlight the home's best features. Complete all minor repairs and touch-ups to ensure everything is in top condition. Hot tip: first impressions matter. Buyers often decide within the first minute whether they like a home or not. Walk the buyer's path beforehand several times to experience what they will see. On the day of the open house, there's nothing more you can change, so you must do this beforehand. A little preparation goes a long way. As mentioned before, images and videos are key to attracting buyers online. Whether you hire a professional or do it yourself, start by creating a compelling 2 to 3 minute property video tour, highlighting key features. But remember, the goal isn't to reveal every feature in the video or flyers, but to entice buyers to visit the open house in person. Instead of showing everything, highlight certain aspects verbally to spark curiosity. For example, you could say, "You wouldn't believe how beautiful the jacuzzi tub is," without actually showing it. This strategy encourages potential buyers to see it for themselves. Always think in terms of what you can mention, but not show to drive interest and attendance at the open house. Create standout listings on Zillow, Realtor.com, and Redfin. Let's be honest. Buyers' first search often begins on Zillow, Realtor.com, and Redfin. To capture their attention, your online listing profile must be enhanced. Did you know that even though listings feed into these platforms automatically from the MLS, you can create an agent account and claim your listings? This allows you to update property descriptions, pictures, even sizes, and amenities. Make sure your listing includes all the elements necessary to captivate home buyers. Create an engaging title, detailed descriptions, and a compelling hook. Don't forget the hook. A strong call to action such as "call now" or "book now" must be present in every piece of marketing material you create. To help you craft headlines, property descriptions, and hooks, upload the home's features to ChatGPT and ask it to generate the perfect title, property description, and hook. Combine these with a few high-quality pictures for maximum engagement. Meta is your friend to maximize your open house. Unlike TikTok, Meta platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Threads allow you to promote locally, a feature not yet available in TikTok. Start by creating a dedicated Facebook and Instagram event page for your open house to showcase property details, photos, and videos. This makes it easy for buyers to RSVP, ask questions, and get excited. Share daily countdown posts highlighting different features, using engaging captions, emojis, and polls. Host a short, under 60-second Instagram, Facebook Live walkthrough 2 to 3 days before the event for a sneak peek and real-time engagement. The live video will stay on your profile for later viewing. You must boost your posts and shorts to reach more people. Boosting posts with Meta is fast and easy once the event is created. Hot tip: offer a special incentive for attendees who RSVP, like a gift card or prize drawing entry. Leveraging Meta, you increase visibility and engage buyers personally. Let's talk email marketing. Compelling subject lines are essential to boost open rates. Use short, intriguing phrases like, "Don't miss this dream home." These should spark curiosity and offer a clear reason to open the email. When crafting your email, use ChatGPT to create the best email possible. Be sure to include a couple of stunning photos that capture the home's best features to grab their attention and keep readers engaged. Pair these with a concise property highlight, attention-grabbing bullet points that emphasize what makes this home special. Always include a clear call to action in every email. Make the CTA visible and easy to act on. Use phrases like, "Click here to RSVP," or "Schedule your private tour today." This guides recipients on what to do next and ensures they don't miss out. You can also hire an email marketer from Fiverr.com to create and send the emails for you. Targeted advertising can significantly expand your reach and attract more potential buyers. As mentioned earlier, Meta's Facebook and Instagram ads offer powerful geographic targeting, ensuring your listings are shown to local buyers who are actively searching in your area. But don't stop there. Google Ads is another great option. With Google, you can target not only by location, but also by relevant keywords such as homes for sale in. This allows you to capture interest from people searching for specific types of properties. Additionally, consider running Nextdoor sponsored posts. These ads are directly shown to neighbors in the community, making them ideal for spreading the word about your open house or listing. It's a great way to tap into local networks, reaching people who may be looking to move or know someone who is. By using a mix of Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, and Nextdoor posts, you can broaden your advertising reach, targeting both potential buyers and residents. Don't underestimate the power of print when marketing a property. Use Canva to design eye-catching property flyers that feature professional, high-quality photos to capture attention. Include key property details, a compelling description, and a call to action created by ChatGPT as mentioned before. These flyers are perfect for distribution at local businesses or community centers, ensuring you're reaching potential buyers who may not be active online. Oversized postcards are another great tool. Send them to homes in the surrounding neighborhood. Not only does this target local buyers, but it also encourages neighbors to spread the word. The larger format grabs attention and helps showcase the property in a way that smaller postcards can't. Lastly, place 10 to 15 directional signs at key intersections leading to the property. Clear, visible signs help guide visitors. These simple but effective tactics can help you reach more buyers and create buzz in the local community. Get the local media involved. Write a compelling press release about the property and send it to local publications. Submit your open house to community event calendars. Partner with local micro-influencers to promote your open house to their audience. Your fellow agents are a valuable resource. Host a broker preview 2 to 3 days before the public open house. Personally invite the top agents in your market who work with buyers in your property's price range. Make your open house an event to remember. Offer high-quality refreshments themed to the property or neighborhood. Create a curated playlist that matches the property's style. Provide useful branded items like property booklets or neighborhood guides. Staffing is crucial for a smooth and effective open house. Position a greeter at the entrance to welcome visitors. Have knowledgeable team members available as tour guides. Station your most experienced agent as a closer to engage with seriously interested buyers. The closer must be a master of the scripts and dialogues. If you need a copy of our script book, just send me a DM. Don't let leads slip through the cracks. Offer a desirable prize drawing for visitors who complete a detailed feedback form with contact information. Or use a tablet-based sign-in system that automatically adds visitors to your CRM. Place QR codes throughout the property that visitors can scan to access digital information, and you can capture theirs. Follow-up is where the magic happens. Lead follow-up is where I see agents fail the most. Master your lead follow-up and you will have a long-lasting career in real estate. Don't, and your days are numbered. Send a personalized thank you email within 2 hours of visitors leaving. Make a personal phone call the day after the open house to answer any questions. Send a market analysis or financing options relevant to their situation within 3 days. Most of the leads are lost to improper follow-up. Just remember this. If you don't follow up on the leads generated from your open house, then why even bother hosting one? Consistent and thoughtful follow-up is the key to converting those leads into serious buyers. Let's avoid some common pitfalls. Don't start promotion less than 7 days before the event. Don't overlook neighbor invitations. And most importantly, don't have poor follow-up execution. You now have a comprehensive blueprint for hosting a mega open house. Remember that preparation and follow-through are key to your success. You don't have to do everything in this guide at once, but start implementing some of these strategies for your next listing and watch your results explode. A well-executed mega open house typically generates 3x more visitors and 5x more qualified leads than standard open houses. I wish you luck. Don't forget to join our community. Do it now.